How to track an object in DaVinci Resolve. So first things first, into the timeline section of the video, you're going to head over to Fusion section. Now once you're into Fusion section, what you're going to do is you're going to press Control plus Space, which is going to open up the tool list. You're going to select the planner tracker. Now you're going to be adding the planner tracker into the nodes of the timeline. Now after this, what you're going to be having to do is you're going to go click on track, and then you're going to click on set. Now for the setting purpose, what you're going to do is you will have to select, set, and drag and drop the cursor to the place that you want to be tracking the object at. So you can set the reference timing. I'm going to select and set it off to 66 right here. Now under the pattern, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be clicking on Hyperplanner. And for the motion, we are going to stick with translation. Next step, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be dragging the box right here around the object that we want to be tracking. So let's just quickly drag and place the object around here. This is the object. I'm going to simply drag a box around. You can see this line that's running around. Then this is the track channel, and this is how you're going to successfully track the object, and all you have to do is click on Create Planner Transform. That is going to be tracking the object in the entire video.